Ashley Artisan with another fire video. Let me show y'all these things up close and then we'll jump into the tutorial. Let's go.
Where am I? ashleyartisan.com.
Thank y'all so much for watching. It just means so much to me. Make sure that if you want the Angelus Paint in all the colors that I use today, then hit that link in the description below and then you can purchase your own and customize your own shoes. For everyone taking the time to comment, share, and like, I just really appreciate y'all. And y'all don't know how much that helps me as a new YouTube channel. I want to keep making videos for y'all. Make sure that you comment. Let me know what kind of videos y'all would like for me to do. I'm open to doing anything. Plus, we got giveaways coming up. The YouTube work is hard work. I don't care what nobody say. These videos are trimmed to 3 minutes. Literally probably took 3 days. Thank y'all for pushing me. Thank you for the encouragement. I'm gonna cry. But then I just remember I'm a thug, so I don't cry. I'll catch y'all next Thursday for the next video. For anybody who don't like peeps, y'all tripping.